All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at right now. Just received a text message, and it was a very surprising text message. I gotta head out of here right now. Lut's up at the store, and heading up to the store, and I got a very special surprise, a very special guest that I want to introduce you guys to, so that's where I'm heading right now. All right, guys, today we have a special guest, an unannounced guest, a very big surprise. We've got Auntie Rose.
Hello, guys.
From Kuya Nation. Yeah, she surprised me this morning and sent a text to me and said she was in town. Kuya Sid, we miss you. We wish you could be here, but we understand. But we got a special guest, and her mom is here.
Hi.
And her dad is here.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're all here. Mabuhay. All right, I'm back from the store. Auntie Rose, it was a very big surprise for us. It was great to see you, your mom, your dad. Kuya Sid, like I said, miss you, wish you were here. If you haven't checked out his channel, it's Kuya Nation. Him and his wife, they're back in the States, but they've been coming back and forth from the Philippines for years and years and years. I know their dream is to eventually retire here. So anyways, if you haven't checked out his channel, check it out. Kuya Nation. Great guy, great channel, great family. Make sure you check it out. But anyways, I'm here right now. A couple weeks ago, another YouTuber out there, Philippine Dreams, he talked about Lazada and how Lazada pulled a scam on him. Well, it wasn't necessarily Lazada. It was inside people working scams and everything like that. And I'm not going to go into detail about it, but he did also mention that they actually have groups, or they have guys going around imitating Lazada, driving around in vans with, you know, boxes in the back, acting like, you know, they're part of Lazada with the uniform and everything. You get your box and you sign for it. They take off and you open up your box and it's a box of rocks. Well, anyways, I ordered something from Lazada the other day. I wasn't here when it got dropped off. I actually gave the money to the security guard here. He signed for it and everything. So I got home and I haven't opened it yet. So I'm gonna open it with you guys and let's see if I got what I ordered or I got a box of rocks. So let's open this up. All right, so here is the box. Let's check if I got what I ordered or if I got a box of rocks. I think that's pretty rotten what people are doing right now when it comes to this scam with Lazada. Like he had said, and what they think is happening, it's inside scam that's going on. Somebody on the inside is giving out all this information, and people are pulling these scams. So let's see if I got what I ordered. See, I mean, it's not like when you order from Amazon, everything's really packaged very nice and everything. Here, Lazada, depending on where it comes from, you know, it's a made up box with, you know, some bubble wrap in it. If you're not familiar with what Lazada is Lazada is like the Amazon or the eBay here in the Philippines. They sell a lot of things online, and I've ordered from them in the past and never had a problem, but I never ordered anything very expensive. I think what's happening is they're tending to target people with very expensive orders. This order here was only like 650 pesos, something like that. So, and I also do cash on delivery. So I never give out my credit card. I don't want to give out my credit card. I don't really trust it, though people have and never had problems with it, but I always do the cash on delivery. So let's open this up and let's see if I got what I ordered. got what I ordered. It is not a box of rocks, thank God. I ordered some air in a can to clean my computer up and everything like that. You can't find this, or I can't find it. I've looked, but I haven't found it yet in any of the stores here, the mall or anything, the department stores. None of that carry it. So I got air in a can. There it is. It's not a box of rocks, thank God. All right, today Lut bought some new candy. She actually found a new vendor to get some new candy from. And Hannah Grace has told me that she is the official candy tester of all the new candy we get in here, right? How's your lollipop?
Good.
Good? How much? We tasted some other candy too. How was it? Good? Yeah. Did you find any candy that does not taste good?
No.
No candy that Hannah Grace has tasted.
yeah.
Oh, you did? Which one? Oh, yeah. We tasted these. These are some kind of Yema pastillas. I don't know what. Yemas pastillas. And they are no good. Even I tasted one of them. But that was the only one?
Yeah.
Yeah, the only one. I am on my way up to check out the mall I've been wanting to check out for a while now. I've been reading the comments about chicken wire, and here in the Philippines that is very, very common, that chicken wire on a lot of the stores. Sort of like how the homes here have a lot of the concertina wire and barbed wire around it. It's just very common. Even down in the province where Luis is from, little small barangay, even the little stores down there have that chicken wire up. Even though everybody knows each other and everything like that, they still have it up. I did talk to the guy that gave me a quote, and he did come down on his price, so I think we're going to go with him. Me personally, I like that open look. I like that open, it's kind of like more personal when, you know, the customers come up, because you're right there. But once again, for safety reasons, we're just going to go with the chicken wire. And like I said, he did come down on the price, so we're going to go with him. Local guy, keep it local, you know, keep the business, you know, help the people in the area with the small businesses and things like that, make them happy, and we're going to be happy in return. So yeah, I'm heading up here now to this mall I've been wanting to check out, taking my shortcut through the Daewoo bus station. This is the peanut guy here, the peanut vendor. You can see he's got under here, he's got a little fire going. It's on a little bicycle with a little sidecar going on. And what he has is he has water underneath those peanuts, and he gets the water boiling and steaming, and then he sells the peanuts like that. But that's pretty interesting with the fire underneath his bike. Actually smells pretty good cooking the peanuts, but pretty cool, huh? All right, so this is the mall I want to check out, City Mall here. I'm going here and check it out. Someone actually told me there's a shawarma place here on the second floor, so I'm going in. I'm going to check it out. Hello. Joy. Air conditioning, that's what's nice about it in here. Coffee shop, jewelry shop, Chowking, Watson's. I don't know how new this mall is, but it looks very nice, very clean inside. Eyeglass place. Hello. Of course, you got Oppo in here. Save More. It's a small mall, but it looks nice. Oh, there's the escalator. Expressions. Like a little knick-knack place. Head up the escalator. Right now the New Year's is coming, so everybody has Chinese New Year stuff out. Speaking of the Chinese New Year's, Hannah Grace has off Friday because the Chinese New Year. They celebrate it here and they recognize it as a holiday, so she has off school. Clothing stores up here. Appears to be all clothing stores for the most part from what I'm seeing. A department store there. Shoes. On the hunt for the shawarma stand. Central Fusion. Huh. Don't see it. Maybe it's downstairs off of one of them smaller wings. Shoot. Shopper Trading. Another little department store. I'll have to check it out. Yeah, I didn't see it up here. Yeah, we'll head back downstairs. Maybe it's down that one side. But I did not see shawarma. Alright, so I found the place, but let me keep walking here. I found the place, but the meat looked really dried out. Didn't look good. It wasn't like a big nice piece of meat sitting on the, on the stick that went around the flame. So I don't think I'll ever get one from there, but I did find a Highland coffee. I grabbed me a small Highland coffee. Cookies and cream. Never had one. So I'm going to try this one out. Small, not a large, small. But yeah, didn't look too appetizing, so I'm not going to grab one of those shawarmas from there anytime soon. But there are a couple other places in there that look pretty good to eat, so I'll probably come back, check some of them out. Alright guys, I'm sitting up here on the corner, about 5 o'clock, and this is when all the rush hour starts happening, when a lot of people start coming through here, and I wanted to kind of show you guys all this traffic that's coming through this area right here. And our store's on this area, so we're on this road, so I'm going to show you all the traffic that's coming through here.